Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can bookmark any community on Reddit. So if you have found a community and you wish to have it on your bookmark or favorites, then the best thing to do is to bookmark it. To do this, just log into your Reddit account, and once you have joined, now go ahead and join the community that you have found. For instance, I want to join this poverty finance community, and I'll just click on join here. However, as you can see, I've joined, but I've not bookmarked it. Now to bookmark the community, you can just open it and then head to these three dots. And now you have this option to add to favorite. By adding your community to favorite, it will be bookmarked. Alternatively, to find your community and bookmark it or add to bookmark list, head down to communities here on the side menu and click on manage communities. Here you'll see a list of all the communities that you joined, and the bookmarked one will be starred. If you wish to add or bookmark other communities, you can also bookmark from here by just clicking on add to favorite here, and now you'll have bookmarked your favorite community. Now next time you log into your Reddit account and you wish to see your bookmarked communities, you should just go back to communities and click on manage communities, and you'll see that all the bookmarked communities will appear on top. You can also find a list of only the favorite or bookmarked communities by just going to favorites here, and this will display all the favorite communities that you bookmarked. So that's how you can bookmark communities on Reddit. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.